The ketogenic diet or keto diet, it's a low-carb, high-fat diet that gives many health benefits. In fact, over 20 studies show that this sort of diet can assist you reduce and improve your health. Ketogenic diets may even have benefits against diabetes, cancer, epilepsy and Alzheimer's disease. It involves drastically reducing carbohydrate intake and replacing it with fat. This reduction in carbs puts your body into a metabolic state called ketosis. When this happens, your body becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for energy. It also turns fat into ketones within the liver, which may supply energy for the brain. Ketogenic diets can cause massive reductions in blood glucose and insulin levels. This, alongside the increased ketones, has numerous health benefits. A ketogenic diet is an efficient way to reduce and lower risk factors for disease. In fact, research shows that the ketogenic diet is way superior to the usually recommended diet. What's more, the diet is so filling that you simply can reduce without counting calories or tracking your food intake. One study found that folks on a ketogenic diet lost 2.2 times more weight than those on a calorie-restricted diet. Another study in people with type 2 diabetes found that 7 of the 21 participants were ready to stop using all diabetes medications.